Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of 3 SandMan SandPro M7236 downdraft sanding tables. The tabletops on these sanding tables measure 72 inches wide and 36 inches deep. They do sit 36 inches off the ground. On the left-hand side of each of these, you will find a utility tray. The condition of each of these machines is similar, except the one in the center does have paint spilled on it. However, that is cosmetic. Each of these sanding tables does have built-in casters. 2 of those casters on the left-hand side are fixed, while the ones on the right are swivel and locking. Very simple controls. You simply turn it on. You do have 2 outlets built into each of these. These machines are powered by 1 horsepower marathon motors that are 115 volt single phase wired. We did replace all of the filters in these machines. All of the gas springs have been replaced as well. The gas springs are at either side and hold the top open. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.